Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, we are going to look at the technological innovation created by Anthropic. So it's simply artificial intelligence with the Claude 3.7 Sonnet model and Claude Code. Now, if I start talking about Claude 3.7, you should know that quite simply, it is an artificial intelligence that has the ability to respond very quickly and also have a deep reflection for questions and exercises that are complex. So it's as if you have a brain, in fact, that can react in speed mode and also in deep reflection mode. If you send it a basic question, it will respond instantly. It's like having an assistant. And if you are going to ask it, well, or send it more complex tasks, you will see that it will actually solve them. It will first think in detail and then show you the steps of its reasoning. But that's not all. We also have Claude Code. This is simply a feature that makes Claude powerful, because from the start, Claude has been strong in coding. But now today, with Claude Code, it has the ability to fix bugs, develop, create code, generate tests automatically, and it is even capable of creating of mobile applications or even web applications that are very advanced, very complex. You will see that thanks to what we call the API, it will simply allow Claude to connect with other agents or code editors. Because today it is delivered with the functionality, there we can launch it in the terminal, but we can go very far with the API. It is what will allow us to fully exploit this coding. Truly, this new duo between Claude 3.7 Sonnet and Claude Code. It really provides extraordinary strength. You simply needed to create a free account on the Claude.ai website. And it's enough. Even with a free account, no need to have a pro account, we can test Claude 3.7. To have exploited, of course, the coding, it will be much more interesting to use the API. The app, in fact, is what will allow us to go very, very far in coding and programming. And there you go. So here we have a graph. Here we have what we call software engineering performance. So we see several bars, and each bar, in fact, represents a language model. And we will try to see the accuracy in solving concrete programming problems. And, of course, the more the axis or the higher the bar, the better the results. And here we have the highlight of 3.7 bells. So we notice that it far surpasses the other models. So here it reaches 62.3%. And when we use what we call scaffolding, which in essence are additional models that help the intelligence to reason and to actually test its code, and there we see it reaches 70.3%. Of course, it is much superior to the other models. And if I look, for example, at a comparison with the Claude 3.5 code already, the Claude 3.5, it's not bad. It's at 49%, but in comparison with the Claude 3.7, there is really an evolution, and we see that today, in fact, this system is the most efficient system today in most solving problems related to programming and coding. And it's very, very important because the Claude 3.7 is designed to think both quickly and more deeply. And of course, depending on the needs, depending on the type of exercise, the type of problem to code. And it's a bit like having a single brain. It's programmed. It operates in mode, instant response and reflective mode response, in depth. And that, in fact, is very, very important because the more difficult tasks we have, the more Claude 3.7 will gain in precision. And this shows that Claude 3.7, as it stands today, is the leader in solving problems in software development. So here in this graph, we have our test. This is actually a test. Here we see how the models, the different artificial intelligence models, react when they handle complex tasks. So this is a test we call the test tool bench, where the tools call upon other tools to solve complex problems or scenarios. And if we look here, obviously the higher the bar is, the more it is the more efficient and interesting it is to solve tasks by actually using the different tools. And here, Claude 3.7, as you can see, it shows again that it handles complex scenarios better, with more advanced reasoning and interaction capabilities. And clearly, we can conclude here that Claude 3.7 actually surpasses the competitors. So here, if compared with OpenAI, O1, also with the older version of Claude 3.5, we see that it actually surpasses, especially in what we call realistic situations. So there it plans, it thinks, it uses multiple tools. The goal is to arrive at finding a solution. And that in fact simply confirms that this model is not only fast and accurate, but it's a system that is created and adapted to solve practical cases that companies can encounter on a daily basis. So here, this is a new table. Here, we will see how Claude 3.7 Sonnet. It's a model today of the new generation. It is capable of performing various tasks across multiple themes. It can solve simple questions, up to advanced programming. In this table, we will see that we are comparing Claude with the 3.7 Sonnet version. This is extended thinking. In fact, this is simply the extended thinking option. If we go to Claude, we will see that here there is this option. Of course, it is in Pro mode, so you had to pay a subscription of $20 per month to access this option, or stay with the classic 3.7 Sonnet model. So if I come back here, I will actually see the two models here. So there you go. And we have actually tested them in several benchmark, which means these are tests, for example. Here, in terms of coding, we find tests in mathematics, university tests. And in all these tests, there, we saw that 3.7 is ranked first, or also. It is very close to the best result in several categories, and especially it is compared with OpenAI. It is compared with Grok 3 from LMOEC, so from projects from XCOM, in fact, and also in comparison with the Chinese artificial intelligence DeepSeek. And really, it is either ranked first or very close to the best results. And that is actually thanks to its ability to switch from mode. Quick response to mode, deep reflection. This balance, in fact, or this way of doing things makes it, and this highlights the importance of Claude 3.5, which today is a very, very strong new generation, especially in programming, I remind you. And even today, in fact, there were even simulations with the tests they conducted on the Pokemon game. In fact, it showed that it is the most creative, and there it actually proves its versatility and robustness. So this is the chart that showed that today, Claude 3.7, especially the extended version, is the best artificial intelligence on the market. And there you have it. We've reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed the content. If you want to support me, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue creating more free videos on YouTube. And if you want to join my community Udemy, if you want to have more advanced, more detailed courses with more examples and practical workshops, I have put the Minor 2-pack on my website. The first one simply contains all my courses in artificial intelligence, automation, and our codes. And the second one is a complete package. It contains approximately 1,000 hours of training. You will even find digital marketing inside. Don't forget to simply use the code I created, especially for my YouTube community. It's a code that is YT20. This one will simply give you a 20% discount on YouTube. These packages, be careful, is a code that is only valid for my YouTube subscribers. I thank you very much and see you soon.